Finding a mechanic you can trust is often difficult. So many people feel wronged or that they were treated poorly by someone who has previously serviced their or repaired their vehicle. You can trust us at Maple Valley's Wilderness Auto Service in Chevron. We have about 100 reviews on Google and our Facebook page. Nearly all of them are 5 stars. We do our best to have every customer leave happy and satisfied. And if there's any kind of a problem, we fix it. So thanks for watching our video. Now come see us.
Our last video explained why trucks took 5 spots out of the list of 10 best-selling cars of 2020. But another vehicle type has outsold all others, the SUV. SUV is an abbreviation for sports utility vehicle. An SUV is a great vehicle for people who want comfort, space, and who love taking outings and vacations. Many, however, just drive an SUV as an alternative to a minivan or family car. An SUV can carry more passengers and more cargo than a car because of its size and configuration, but there are different types of SUVs. One is called a crossover SUV. Think of it as a car that has the shape of an SUV, but most of its parts are as they would be for a compact or mid-size sedan. They may also be called compact SUVs or small SUVs. These have been increasing in popularity. A Toyota RAV4 would be a good example. The medium or mid-size SUV is a great idea if a crossover isn't quite big enough. A Jeep Cherokee would be in this category. They are more practical and versatile. They're easy to drive and more than manageable around town or up in the hills. Then there's the large SUV. Think Chevy Suburban as an example. Large SUVs are pretty much your take-anything and go-anywhere trucks. They have larger interiors, often with 7 or even 8 seats, with big cargo carrying capacity. Most SUV and crossover cars are 2-wheel drive, although many have the all- or 4-wheel drive options.
Remember, for trustworthy auto service, great Chevron gasoline, and U-Haul rental trucks and trailers, come see us at Wilderness Auto Service on Maple Valley Black Diamond Road in Maple Valley.